Blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video, another recap. All right, on your screen here is 56-year-old Carol. She's based in United States. She's seeking a nice, loving man from the age of 56 go up to 60. Okay, this is Miss Commander. Yeah, all who watch me show know her. She's seeking a man from up 60s up. Whether you're based in Jamaica or overseas, you can reach out. And the first lady is a 7-day Adventist. So let me make it clear. Carol need a 7-day Adventist person. All right? So that's that. So going forward, I will start feature 1 and 2 people who's on the program who seeking love. Talking about love, yesterday I posted a video about this 67-year-old man. He's a 7-day Adventist. I hooked him up with somebody, and basically the lady says he's trying to scam her. He's no Christian, and she do a background check on church. She can't come up with nothing, no answer where he's about or which church. So anyway, ladies, you have to just be careful. But anyway, another lady reached out to me and said that when she see the video, she remember that I also give her his number. And this is what she have to say. Went down with both of them. I could drive and listen. This is part 2 of the 67-year-old Adventist, or should I say, alleged churchman. Could drive and listen. Yeah.
The man, as the man started to talk to me, the man started trying out how. I have a friend that visit me from Jamaica and he sent me an invitation for.
Right.
So, like, talking when me live, me and my daughter live, and me have a friend come visit me.
Right.
And right away, the man want to find out if me can send an invitation letter for him too. So me said to him, say, if he knows he have to have certain collaterals to get the visa.
Right.
He said, like, so you have to have money or like property and, even a vehicle or something.
Right.
He said he'd have a car and he go out. Another car is parking at the spot where he did park. So have the car, but he have a house.
You trip out a while ago.
Okay.
Hold on, you trip out a while ago. There's something to carry. Yeah.
So he go one supermarket, go shop. And when he come out, which part in park is another car parking at that spot.
Okay.
And then have them to run the camera and stuff with then nobody knows see but the car come on.
Uh-huh.
So then thief the car. He used to rent taxi. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
but he have a house.
Okay.
So me say you have to have at least 600,000 or more in your account to get the visa. And say you don't have no money. He said, then how you go look for visa? He said, anyway, I'm going to go to the Spanish town or wherever not some travel service to ask them the requirements. I said, okay. He said, do that and get back to me. Then he started asking me, where we going to do it? I said, do what? Get married. Up there or down here? So I said, so what's the rush? Why you move so fast? And he said, he's serious and somebody he might look, he want to settle down and all of that. Then me said to him, listen this. I said, I'm building a house in Jamaica.
Right.
That's where I plan to retire. So when I retire there, what's going to happen? He said, I will come and visit you. He said, come and visit me. Then, really make no sense. Because if I'm going to spend most of my time out there, why you are going to stay Canada?
Right.
Instead of work out, him just come visit me and come back.
Granted.
And the man just moved. Then he tell me, say, okay, I asked my daughter to help me buy a car. Help me to buy a car. But she said she have to pay some mortgage and stuff. So, she can't afford to help me right now. So I say, okay, everybody fine have their bills to pay.
Sure.
Who don't have mortgage, still have other bills. So, that easy if somebody find money if he send for help to buy a car or to buy a car.
Right.
So I think he want me to help him to buy, get some money to help him to buy the car too, because he has his daughter as well. And he tell the daughter about me. And all of that. So we say just the whole you move so fast, you introduce me already. No, me not tell nobody about you. That was about Friday, last week Friday. Then Saturday, I don't hear him. All this. I say, oh, come in hear you today. Say, went to church.
Oh, so my 7 day for so my Sabbath, my 7 day for true then.
Sunday again.
My 7 day for true.
Then eh?
My 7 day for true then. My Sabbath.
I tell me say I went to church.
Okay.
Then Sunday phone him a bend down and his phone drop in a water. But from me tell him, he keep on saying to me, say, you're not saying nothing. Talk up, not talk up. Like, me don't know what I want me to say.
Oh, his phone drop in the water.
He tell me say his phone drop in the water, but before that, he want me to, the things them why want me to say. Why want hear me not saying it. So then the go on out tell the talking get less, telephone drop in the water. So you now see nothing on the phone, the screen blank.
Let's go. You can't bother with this tonight.
And the man called me, he put on me,
can't bother with this.
Mrs. School,
so how much wife this man did have? You are married, so you live in Canada, so that means you did married. You in Canada, I married Bernice in a USA. What a bang around, go and talk.
I don't know if I Bernice same one enough, but you did indeed get one number in the US and one in England. Before mine.
Yeah.
And the lady from the US had to send some picture. And she sent some picture, come give me the dark glasses. He said, you know the glasses, them were like the people, them what do welding, all this side of the glasses, they couldn't see the woman's face.
Some discriminate on next woman to you.
Yeah, you couldn't see the woman's face. And he said, no, I can't bother this woman, but look up the one from England now. She was kind of okay, and we talked for a little while. But when we start to talk to you and I see your picture now, then I say, this lady is the right lady. So if I see him bring it, he discriminate, and at the same time, he might serve, he might go married too.
No,
This big man, look on his age. When him come out Canada, or wherever I go, who go hire him? How am I going to survive?
So the man want so the man when you say one woman send one picture with one glasses, look like she do welding.
Yes, the two sides you can't see none of the woman's face.
Oh, no, I forgot to Bernice what kind of picture she sent him, or Jennifer or somebody.
So when you hear the sound, when you come out of my phone now, you tell me say your phone drop in the water.
You know when you say your phone drop in the water, and him you want you to say, oh, how much for a phone? I go buy one. And that I chicken up, I don't pick up.
Maybe that me just block him same time. Blocking same time. People check back. Some of the things that me check back, people check back like the pictures them, but you did don't check them back. Me just block him.
Lord God, I remember I did my call and you said, boy, dear man, this look promising. This is a nice man. And you hear you talk and you're happy. Me I say, I'm glad for you, man. Go and go try. So I know say 2 weeks later, this me here.
The man I want scammer.
Oh boy.
If you meet somebody and you love somebody, rather you go visit me at Jamaica. You know me that say as a man? Can me feel him out? Me that say, boy, baby, anywhere you're there, then you're there too.
True.
You not tell me say, me I go there, I'm going to come visit me. Because you are Canadian and you live here.
True. That make no sense. Because you are Canadian, see? And you tell him, say, in the future, you want to come live back at Jamaica. So you say, oh, that are going. Me say, hear what I'm saying? Me will visit you in Jamaica. That means you tell you say, I'm going to live at Canada now. And then he come visit you. Like
that. You one place, put down on the But you joke, Mr. Twin say, me no much long come from Jamaica. We spent 4 months down there. Me come back in a March. So we don't plan to come back to Jamaica. Probably, in the last of December to January.
Yeah.
But me say you don't have a car. So how you going to see me? In going to take taxi, come see me. So Mr. Twin say, you think me like a taxi come on? Which part you live? Mr. Me not get no taxi, go look for no man.
True. True.
Hey.
So hold on, so him saying that take taxi come look for you?
He would take taxi go and look for me. Say, Mr. Dream said, okay, what about the airport? He said, me couldn't get one car. Me could I, like get the car rent and would have picked me up at the airport. But I said, no, me don't do that because me don't know you either.
Either, yeah, you
He said,
can't
so
do
you
that.
don't trust me? I said, me can't trust you, me
No,
don't know you.
you can't do that.
So me don't trust if you come for me at the airport.
Right, you can't do that. Mm-mm. You reach,
So you take taxi, me I take taxi, go no, we go look for nobody at Jamaica.
No, you can't do that.
Mm.
You can't do that at all.
Man is a scam and I look for say a big man,
You're happy.
Not
Never
okay,
forget.
He don't have nothing then because he don't have nothing.
You did happy, me expect say way, But when he say,
Yeah.
boy, I tell you.
You make me no want to look nobody again, but when me remember upon the 67-year-old woman, me I say, oh God.
She
don't want to wait to tell me catch that.
Wait till she's 60. I know, so she get how much I know. So at first, me see so much man call for a woman. First.
Yeah.
Everybody want a 67-year-old. I don't know if I children years or 20 years, she not take now. She not get nobody, so I don't know if I that hour. I don't know. Man from all about, man
When
from
you work.
Jeez, ooh.
Yeah, when you work and I support yourself, you will just
So anyway,
get hurt.
yeah, true. But anyway, I put you out there again. This is the night, I put you out there again in the night. A nice, loving lady. How much again, Veronica?
61.
61. Very nice, loving lady. Look good. She need a nice, loving man. If you're from Jamaica, she think about it. But if you live overseas, you have a better chance. Alright, 61-year-old. Yes, she look a nice, loving man. Not no man we want woman to buy them car or
Yes.
you see me? And them bag of something there. Jesus God. She just want a decent man. I told them can roll together, build together, and everything alright.
No mind.
Right, that's all.
Yeah.
Alright, anybody who watch are interested, I have our picture. Alright, big up yourself and go get your rest, my friend.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Boy, every time I hear this, I'm on a story, I laugh to write it. I'm 68, I laugh. Guys, put a like on the video, big up on yourself. Join me 8:30 nightly for the MIXUP Boss Show. Big up on yourself. Love you know. We're gone.